Welcome to Sheet Metal Tech Tips. Today we'll discuss part sizes. Part sizes can be no smaller than 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches before forming. Non-formed parts can be no smaller than 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And large parts should be no larger than 39 inches by 47 inches. Small sized parts in a punch press or laser can be difficult to manage. When considering press brake forming, parts smaller than this that adds to the potential for injury. Force operators to place their hands too close to the forming tools. Larger parts add a different dimension to safety and process speed. Parts that are larger than a flat size of 39 by 47 inches are harder for an operator of a laser or punch machine to move on and off that machine. To recap, parts considered for manufacturers should be no smaller than 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches when formed, or 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch when flat. Parts larger than 39 by 47 in the flat can be considered but will require special equipment and additional manpower. Following these guidelines will result in faster quote response and lead time. This concludes our video on sheet metal part sizes. For more information, contact our design team.